Food Truck Fridays at Eagle Springs in Humble, Texas with J. Harvey's Grill. Okay, it's about 4:30. The event starts at 5, so we're getting set up. You see J. Harvey's Grill. We're gonna have fried wings, cheese fries, brisket sandwich, and turkey legs. And you also have other food vendors here also. So if I walk around in the parking lot, I'm gonna show you the other vendors. It's about 5 or 6 other vendors. Also, you have barbecue, and you have a donut vendor, and also have Asian food. Okay, the event has started. As you see, the lines are getting long, J. Harvey's Grill. So I better get back in and give my wife a hand because it's getting really busy. So this is Food Truck Fridays at the Eagle Springs in Humble, Texas. I think they do this maybe 5, 6, 7 times a year. So come on by one day and enjoy us. And subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.